Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your Motorola Moto G67. So, as you guys can see, let me quickly lock the phone and try to use it. As you guys can see, it says that the fingerprint is not recognized. So what we want to do is we want to go over and clean the fingerprint sensor with a soft cloth. Of course, you can use the microfiber cloth for it. What we're going to do here is we're going to grab the phone and clean the bottom part like this. Now it is definitely clean and free from all the fingerprints. What are we going to do now is we're going to go over and re-register fingerprint in the settings. So we're going to click settings. Now what we're going to do here is this is the top page. Now from the top page, all we really need to do is go over and scroll down. To here we got the security and privacy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to device unlock and here face and fingerprint unlock. Now we got the fingerprint added, but we need to enter the password first. We got the fingerprint. Now we can remove it, delete, and now what we're going to do is we're going to click on fingerprint again, click setup, and we need to find the sensor. Now we can touch and lift, and here we have the progress bar. So let me show you how it's going. It's going all around the box right here. So this is a good outline. You can see where it ends. And the last one. Now the fingerprint has been added. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over and test if it works. So it is working now, but what you guys can do if it's not working for you, remove the screen protector. This is very important because if your screen protector is, let's say, too thick, then of course it won't accept your fingerprint as it cannot really read it because the screen protector is just too much. Like the layers are just too much. Instead of being like this, it's like this. And we definitely do not want it. So make sure to remove it and see if that makes a difference. And as a last resort here, what you guys want to do is leave the security and privacy settings. And here, go to system updates, check for updates and make sure that you're on the latest version, just like me. I am on the latest version of the software, and if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.